back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about logic, where we start from the last time. But first, I just want to introduce what is preposition, because preposition comes with logic, preposition and statement. A preposition is a sentence that can give you either true or false. One of the statements can either be true or false. So that is preposition. Preposition. The statements can either be true or false. True or false. So short statements is referred to as preposition. We have different types of preposition we use here. So first we have the or, we have the and, we have the if and only if, but for today's video, for this lesson, we are only going to consider the or and the and preposition. Okay, so we are going to see the truth table of these two, the or and the and preposition. Then we'll see how we can relate this one in real life. So now, let's give an example here. If P is a preposition, so not P is a preposition that is only true when P is false. So this is just an example. So now let's start with a truth table here to see the illustration of this preposition. So these are our truth table. Let's say we have P and Q. And here we have not P and not Q. This not is also referred to as negation. This not is also referred to as negation. So here we have false, false, true, true. False, true, false, true. So from this table, we can see for here, negation of P, not P here will be what? Not P here will be true, not P here will be true, and here false, false. Whereas for this Q, the negation of Q in this column, negation of this Q here is true, this true here becomes false, this false becomes true, and this true becomes false. So now let's take a real life example. Now I can say here Mob is a footballer. Mob is a football player. So we let this mob, let mob be P. And Ali is a cricketer. So now let Ali be Q. Let Ali be Q. So now construct a truth table. Now you construct a truth table that tells us this Muab is not a footballer and Ali is not a cricketer. Simply here, from this table, you can just indicate this Muab. Instead of P here, you can just replace P by Muab and Q by Ali. You construct the table. Simply, this is the answer for this one. This is just a real life example. You can use any example, you construct your table. Now, if Marv is a footballer, so not P now will be Marv is not a footballer. So if Ali is a cricketer, that's Q. So not Q now will be Ali is not a cricketer. So now, this is very simple. Not Marv means what? Marv is not a footballer. Not Q here means Ali is not a cricketer. So now let's see the representation of this one in terms of conjunction and disjunction. So now let's talk about conjunction and disjunction. Here again we are going to design a table, then we'll give some examples on how conjunction and disjunction works.